New in my intro. No. Hey guys, I have a new font to my intro. I kind of lost the other video because I was deleting too quick. So yeah, hope you guys like it.
Hey, I got a Glock in my Rari.
I know this is gonna be a short video right now. I just wanted to update you guys on Hurricane Harvey. It is raining really hard right now. Here, let me see if I can, cause I can go up there, but my phone's gonna get wet. Oh god. Oh lord. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, I'm getting wet. Okay. Alright. Okay. Holy cow. Oh my god. I'm getting dripped on. Oh god. I have no shoes on. I am so stupid. Holy crap. I can't go up there though. Actually, I could. Oh god. Alright, I'm gonna have to be quick. Alright, hold on. I'll try and make it up to you guys and I'll be right back. I could just go out over there. Because the wind's not blowing this way, it's blowing the other way. It sounds like it's coming from up there, but I don't wanna. It sounds so close. Oh, that's right there. Oh god. But what is it? Hold on. I don't know what it is. Oh, that's what? Oh, snap. Oh. Oh, there's a spider. Get it on. Alright, hold it on there. Guys, oh, I don't want to hit that spider though. Oh my god. Holy crap. I'm not acting like I've never seen rain before. I mean, come on, who hasn't seen rain? Unless you live somewhere in Antarctica, which, if you do, then, oh well, then. Yeah, I can go right here without getting wet, because it's dry right here. Guys, this is insane. I wish it was light for you could see the wind, but we'll kind of see it. Yeah, I'll see if I can go over here. Hopefully I don't get wet, but I think I'll be fine. Oh my god. Let's see. Oh yeah, I can go right here without getting wet. Here, hold on. My phone's not supposed to be getting wet, but whatever, you know. Oh snap! Uh-oh, here's the rain. Okay, bye-bye. I'll see you later. Yeah, we're getting the out pockets of Harvey. And guys, holy crap. Wait, oh snap! Did it break off? Wait, hold up. Oh snap! Oh, where is it? It broke. Oh my god, this is gonna fall and hurt someone. Guys, the clouds are moving so fast. See if you guys can see the clouds with. Yeah, we're just getting the out pockets of Harvey. Guys, the clouds are moving quick. But where did it go? Oh, guys, this is so bad. This is really bad. Uh-oh. Guys, the clouds, this is insane. Look at this. You guys can't see it that well, but Oh, earlier was so much wind and now there's nothing now. Well, I guess it's dying down a little bit now. Yeah, I hope we'll be okay. Alright. Guess what, guys? I can do a magic trick. I can teleport down there. Ready? I'm gonna teleport to there. Right there. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Oh! Whoa. I made it! I'm retarded. But that was awesome. Alright, guys. So... I think since it's not raining that hard anymore, I can go look for the... Where's that part? What is that? Ew. Okay. Yeah, it stopped raining for a second. Hopefully it doesn't get really flooded, because if it does, we're screwed. Okay, well, I'm just gonna walk back to over here, because I don't want to get... That's insane. Alright, guys, I'll talk to you guys inside. And...
And Tim, also a new tornado warning?
Yeah, in fact, these outer bands that have been moving through across southeast Texas, well on the northern side of the circulation, have been producing some weak little spinning. But we've had some pronounced spinning in this particular cell right now in the central part of Brazoria County, near Rocher, near Danbury, moving to the northwest. I want to show you that rotation, and the brighter the color, the stronger the winds are blowing. And when you get the bright yellows and the bright greens next to each other, that's an indication of rotation in that storm that's near Bonnie, that actually started southeast of Bonnie, has been tracking across 288 and is now heading northwestward toward Brazos Bend State Park. So folks that live out there in the central part of Brazoria County, you've got a strong storm moving your way with rotation in it that could produce a tornado right now. That's one of several little cells that have been moving up across the area on the northern side of that circulation. There is Harvey right now making landfall. The National Hurricane Center in their 10 o'clock update said the storm just now made landfall on the northern end of San Jose Island. That's just to the east of Rockport. That's the center of the storm. That's the landfall point. You're seeing it on live radar right now. This part of the storm is the eye wall. That's where the winds have been 130 to 140 miles per hour and are still blowing that strong right now. This is where we're most likely to see most of the damage, which is just to the east of Corpus Christi, but well within Port Aransas and Rockport. And again, this is southwest of Lavaca Bay and Port Lavaca, but you can still see the spinning of that storm as it slows down near the coast. That could mean for excessive amounts of damage because of the slow movement of the storm. Still a Category 4 hurricane, by the way, 130 mile an hour winds. The forecast track changing somewhat. Watch this. The storm continues as a Category through tonight through tomorrow afternoon, then is downgraded to a tropical storm. Tonight still showing a curl off to the north and east, but a little bit later I'm going to show you the computer models, and you're going to see that the models are all over the place, which makes this track highly uncertain. I'm not even sure I'd follow the middle part of the line here, because it could be anywhere from central Texas to West Louisiana by next Tuesday. That's how uncertain this forecast track is right now. Again, we currently have some heavy rain falling around Houston, heavier to the south. We've got tornado warnings in effect. We've got a lot to tell you throughout the evening here tonight.
All right, Tim, thanks a lot. We have more breaking news just coming in the last few minutes. President Trump has signed a disaster...
Dobbin, 13, Eyewitness News. Well, this storm is expected to break records, and for families who have lost everything in the floods, this is pretty terrifying.
It's so difficult going through this time and time again. To extremes to keep the water out over the coming days.
Eyewitness News reporter Stephen Romo is joining us live with the story all new at 10. And Stephen, this must have taken a lot of work.
Yeah, a lot of work indeed. You can see just how much work went into it. It took 9 people working all day to get all these sandbags, all this plastic wrapped up around this house. The hope that it will keep the water out so the family can stay in.
I think it's pretty strong. It seems to be holding tight.
Kristen Massey hopes this barricade, 18,000 pounds of sandbags, will keep her Meyerland home from flooding a third time.
It was a 6-year-old home, and it had never flooded until 2 years ago, and not flooded twice.
The Memorial Day flood of 2015 wrecked her home. She was told it was a once-in-a-lifetime event. Then came the tax day floods last year.
And this time I'm just not gonna do it.
As thousands of families who live through Ike know, you can protect yourself from water, but there's nothing to prevent the power from going out. Right now, there are more than 16,000 CenterPoint customers without power, but toward the coast, there are more than 66,000 customers in the dark. And now the Electric Reliability Council of Texas just released a statement telling us they believe they have enough power to meet the demand this weekend, but they can't do anything if wind or rain knocks out equipment. ERCOT plans to release updates multiple times over the weekend.
What's up, Facebook? Hey, I'm gonna show you why nobody got no water. Look at this.
The fight to stock up before the storm hits Houston coming to a head with a fight streamed live on Facebook. You're going to hear from the man who stood up to someone he claims was hurting humanity with his water prices.
Rotation continues to weaken in that storm down in Brazoria County. Just look at the Doppler winds right now. We're not seeing the colors as bright as they were at the top of the newscast, but still strong winds over Brazos Bend State Park. That's moving northwestward for Creek and Meadville. More storms with rotation tonight. More rain. That will be heavy over the next 5 days. The latest forecast tracks the Harvey coming up.
All right, we want to show you how it looks live right now in Corpus Christi. Again, the storm Harvey came on land through this area at 10 o'clock, straight up as we went on the air. You can see how heavy the rain and the wind is. We're going to keep an eye on it. We'll be right back with more.
Hey guys, I'm sorry if I was a little over dramatic whenever I was outside, but that's how I am. Alright guys, so yeah. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Make sure you smash that like button, subscribe down below, turn on the notification bell so you can get updated every time I upload. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.